Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you see all these Premier Protein drinks, yes, I did the deal. I posted it on my Facebook page. I posted the Amazon. So Walmart's deal started today, and I saw this. I was browsing to see like what kind of deals they were dropping, because I was hoping to stock up more on wet dog food. No, I don't absolutely need some, but I go through a lot of that. Same with wet cat food. So I'm always looking for those kind of deals where it's super cheap on the ones I buy. And then I came across Premier Protein, and I was like, oh hell yeah, because I love Premier Protein, but they're so dang expensive. So they have these 12 packs for like less than $9, which is insane to me. So I added a whole bunch to my cart, and then I was like going back, like looking through just to make sure I didn't miss any flavors. Within like 5 minutes of me just adding flavors to my cart and everything, 2 of them were already sold out. So I was kind of getting irritated, and I'm like, what? So I checked out, and then I was like, what if Amazon has it? Because Amazon usually keeps up with Walmart prices for a lot of things, especially in a hot deal like this. So I checked Amazon, and I'm like, oh, they're like same price. So the one I really wanted, I bought on Amazon, but it limited of 3 of each flavor on Amazon. But that's okay. So I'll have a couple more coming tomorrow, so I'll be stocked up. But I'm so excited. Anyway, not to talk about, we're here at CVS. Let's talk about CVS. Anyway, so CVS is, I don't want to say slow this week, but kind of slow. And obviously, unless they come out with super amazing coupons for next week, it's going to be slow next week. But that doesn't mean we're not going to save money. There is a printable breakdown just in case you want to take it to the store with you and check out the deals. We are going to be saving some money. I'm pretty sure my store's already sold out of the deal I wanted to do. So, but anyway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. We have an okay deal on select Always products. They're on promotion for spend $20, get $5 in extra bucks. And one of the first products you're going to grab are the Always Pure Cotton that are $11.79. Then you're going to come grab one of the Always the Z products that are $11.79 as well. So if you were to grab one of the Z's and one of the Pure Cotton, your total will be $23.58. We have a $1 digital coupon that works on the Pure Cotton and a $1 digital coupon that works on the Pure Z's. You'll be left to pay $21.58 at the register. We'll give that $5 in extra bucks for spending $20. Plus, we're going to take your receipt, submit it to Ibotta. We have $3 back on the Always Z's, $3 back on the Pure Cotton, making them $10.58 for both. We have phenomenal cheap diapers. These Live Better. This is the CVS brand. This one is the size 6, 21 count, 75% off. The size 5, 30% off, but the size 4, 50% off. So they're all different percentage off it. But if you need diapers, definitely check your store. We also have these massive boxes of Easy Ups. This is the My Little Pony one, 50% off. Also, the Goodnight boxes, the large boys or the large girls, 50% off. We have a really good deal on the TheraBreath toothpaste. It is on promotion for buy one, get $3 in extra bucks. It's $6.99. There's no digital coupon, so you'll pay that at the register. You'll get the $3 in extra bucks for buying one, plus we'll submit to Ibotta for $3 back, making it just 99 cents. If you want a water flosser that's super cheap and you don't have to break the bank, this CVS brand one, 75% off, less than $15. This week, Head & Shoulder products are on promotion for buy 2, get $5 in extra bucks, and they're on sale for $6.99. So you'll grab 2 of them, and your total will be $13.98. We have, on the Coupons 24 app, we have a $1.50 digital coupon, plus select accounts. If you did a quick survey, you got a $5 off of one item, like any item. So if you have both of them, you can use them both. Your total be left to pay at the register will be $7.48. Get the $5 in extra bucks for buying 2, making them $2.48 for both. Now that $5 only for you digital coupon can work on any PG product. This is just an example of a product that we don't have a second coupon for that you can use it on. Garnier Fructis is on a different promotion than the whole ones, so just be aware of that. But the Fructis products are on promotion. Buy two, get $3 in extra bucks, and they're two for $8. You'll grab your favorite two, including the leave-in conditioner. So your total will be $8. We have a $3 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $5 at the register. We'll get the $3 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $1 per bottle. Now, if you really like the whole blends, you can also do this deal. They are buy two, get three, but they're two for $10. So grab two for $10, obviously. And we have a separate $3 digital coupon for these. You'll be left to pay $7. Get the $3 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $4 for both. We have a really good deal on Nexus hair care products. They're on promotion for buy two, get $8 in extra bucks. And these little hair, I don't know what they're called, the little trial size ones are included in this deal. These little masks things, they're $6.99, so you'll grab two of them for $13.98. You'll have to pay that at the register since there's no coupons. We'll get the extra bucks of $8 back for buying two, make them $5.98 for both. We have really good savings on Gillette and Venus products. They're on promotion for buy two, get $4 in extra bucks, and they're buy one, get one 50% off. But the way I'm going to show you the deal is the best way to do the deal, in my opinion, and that's to grab the Gillette Foamy Shave Gel. You can grab the red can or you can grab the teal can. They're $3.49, so one at full price, one at 50% off will be $5.23. There's no coupons or anything to use, so you'll pay that at the register. Get the $4 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $1.23 for both. This week we have a promotion on personal care for spend $20, get $5 off. It's a CRT. Now, if you've been having problems in the past with those CRTs populating on your card, you can try to print them at the red box or open your app a couple hours before you plan on going to the store. Browse around in the app for a couple minutes, close the app, wait a couple hours, and then it'll pop up. Like, that's what I do. But anyway, so here's a couple of the deals you can do, and then I'll show you two different scenarios at the end. One of the deals is on the Dove products. They're on promotion for buy two, get $4 in extra bucks. You're going to look for the FIFA ones, so the Dove Men Plus Care ones are $9.79, and you'll grab two of them. Grabbing two of them will be $19.58. Use a $10 digital coupon, so you pay $9.58, get the $4 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $5.58 for both. Raw sugar products are buy one, get one free, so you can grab either like the body washes, you can grab the bar soaps, you can grab the body scrubs, or if your store sells the hand soap, you can grab the hand soaps. They're $4.99. There's no coupons for any of these, but if you need a cheap filler for this spend $20 deal, this is a great option. Axe Body Wash is on promotion for buy two, get $4 in extra bucks, and they're $5.99, so you'll grab two of them for $11.98. We have a $5 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $6.98 at the register. Get the $4 in extra bucks for buying two, make them $2.98 for both. Olay Body Wash is on promotion for buy two, get $4 in extra bucks. They're $7.99, so you'll grab two of them for $15.98. Unfortunately, there's no digital coupons, so you pay that at the register, which is yucky. We'll get the $4 in extra bucks for buying two, plus we're going to take our receipt, submit it to Ibotta, where we have $3 back when buying two, make them $8.98 for both. Dove Woman Body Wash are part of that buy two, get four. You're going to look for the FIFA one. They're $10.79, so you'll grab two of them for $21.58. We'll use a $10 digital coupon plus a $5 CRT, so we'll be left to pay $6.58 at the register. We'll get the $4 in extra bucks for buying two, make them $2.58 for both. The better way to do this deal is to grab one men's and one woman's. Your total will be $20.58. Use a $10 digital coupon plus a $5 CRT. You'll pay $5.58 at the register. Get the $4 extra buck for buying two, make them $1.58 for both. Or the last way to do this deal is a one and done on the Old Spice. They're on promotion for buy two, get $4 in extra bucks. They're $7.99. You'll grab three of them in total for $23.97. We have a $6 digital coupon plus the $5 CRT, so that means you'll be left to pay $12.97 at the register. Get the $4 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $8.97 for both, or for all three. Great deal on the L'Oreal facial care. You can grab this L'Oreal toner for $8.49. We have a $5 CRT, which would make it $3.49. But if you want to grab the deal, it's spend $45, get $20 in extra bucks. and my score is always out of the toner. So a great way to do this deal is to grab one of the eye defense eye creams that are $15.79. Then to grab one of these Revitalift Triple Power overnight masks. Grabbing both of those products, your total will be $46.58. We have a $5 CRT that everyone got this week, plus check your account for a $5 off of 25 CRT. You'll be left to pay $36.58, but we'll get the $20 in extra bucks for spending $45, making them $16.58 for both. CoverGirl Cosmetics are on promotion for buy two, get $5 in extra bucks, and there's plenty of ways to do this deal, but the cheapest way I figured it out is to grab two of the mascaras that are $7.79. So you can grab like the clear one, there's a purple one or a blue one, but you'll grab two of them for $15.58. We have a $3 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $12.58 at the register. You'll take your receipt, submit it to Ibotta for $3 back on each one, plus we'll get the $5 in extra bucks for buying two, make them $1.58 for both. Now if you have a new system store, you can grab the 50% off items and get the extra buck. Unfortunately, I have an old system store, so I cannot grab the clearance items. Easy deal on these Nature Valley granola bars. You can grab tons of different ones. They're on sale for $1.99 each. You'll have to pay that at the register. There's no coupons, but we have 75 cents on each box on Ibotta, making them $1.24 a box. Great deal on General Mills cereal. They're on sale for $1.99. You're going to grab two of them for $3.98. We have $1 off of two digital coupons, so you'll pay $2.98 at the register. You'll take your receipt, submit it to Ibotta. I have 50 cents per box on like the kids boxes, so it'll make the final cost $1.99 for two boxes, or less than $1 per box. We have an okay deal on Gain products, but first I do want to mention this. PG products are spend 20 get 4. Don't do this deal. If you absolutely need laundry products, do the Gain deal instead. I can't seem to get rid of Gain, but they're on promotion 2 for $15 for like dryer sheets, some fabric softener, the flings, the liquid. So you're going to grab the 42 count of the hard container of the flings. Then you're going to come grab a liquid. For example, these two products will be $15. We have a $2 digital coupon for the liquid on the Coupons 24 app. And on the Coupons 24 app, we have a $3 digital coupon for the flings, making these two for $10 or $5 each. All right, we're back in from checkout, and checkout went kind of iffy, if you were to say that. So I only grabbed 2 deals because I really don't need anything, and the deals for me personally aren't the best. But so the cashier is like, oh, do you need to enter your phone number? I'm like, yep. So I entered my phone number. Then she scanned the 4 items I had. Then I gave her my phone for the Coupons 24 app, and she's like, is that the 24 app? And I'm like, yep. And she's like, oh, I have to void the transaction now. And I was like, you can just scan this. She's like, it's not gonna work. Okay. So she voided the transaction, scanned the 4 things. She's like, I need to scan your phone now. And I was like, okay. She's like, what's your phone number? Because I have to type it in. And I was like, oh, okay. Like, so after she, like, I gave her my phone number, I was like, it would have worked the first time. She's like, no, it doesn't work unless you do your phone number last. And I was like, no, it doesn't only work for you. I was like, I put my phone number in for everyone else. It just doesn't work for you. And I was kind of rude about it, but like at the same time, like, she was kind of rude. So I guess you get what you give. So anyway, I only grabbed, like I said, 2 deals. I grabbed the Head and Shoulders deal and then the Dove body wash deal. So for the Coupons 24 app, I had the $1.50 for the Head and Shoulders, and then the $5 PG one. And then for CVS coupons, we had the $10 for the Dove, and then we had the $5 off of, or the $5 CRT. So those are the only 2 digital coupons for the CVS app. And then I rolled a $10, a $2, and $1.06. Yes, so $1.06 in total. So I swiped my card for 1 whole penny. Yes, 1 whole penny is what I paid for everything. So I submitted to Fetch, but I got like 2 whole pennies back from Fetch. Or if you want to round down, 1 whole penny. So I didn't really pay anything for this. But like I said, it just depends on what you personally need. I personally just really don't need anything like the Gain. I can't resell Gain to save my life. I don't know what it is around here. I mean, Gain's okay, like it cleans fine. I just don't like the scent because it's just too much for me. But I use it on my pet stuff, which is perfect, or like my towels. So like whatever, like I'll use it. I personally don't need any more because I have plenty of it right now too. But anyway guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.